with us how the experience was and what.
Well, in a nutshell, yes, he's been wanting to see me, and I thank God. First, I have to thank the DSS, very organized place. You have to take time to go through the process, but you can see a people who know what they are doing. So finally, I saw him. We spent almost an hour together. Very, very intense, serious discussion that affecting the course of this country and essentially the southeast. Now that detail will come later.
Okay, sir.
But the important thing is that we met for almost an hour. It was a very emotional meeting for both of us, and he gave specific instructions I have to relate to our people. There are a lot of discussions going on, whether this is this and this is that. And he said I should make pronouncements as authority from him.
So what is it inside there for him? What is it like for him?
It is unfortunate. It's a place you won't wish your worst enemy to stay. When you're under seclusion, is it an exciting thing? No. But we thank God that his spirit is very high. That's what impressed me most, and I thank God for that.
Okay, so one more thing. I've had an opportunity to actually dialogue with his counsels, his lawyers, the people that have been handling his matter and all that. What is the relationship between him and his lawyers?
I will not discuss that. That's not I want to discuss with him.
Okay, sir.
Anything about his lawyer is very private and does not concern me.
Okay, sir.
Absolutely not.